guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're doing something a little bit different for two reasons. A, we're in quarantine and I actually can't go to the Sephora store and pick up the items like I normally do. I usually wake up super early, I buy everything, I come home, I film and I edit, and then I upload it for you guys the same day. But since we're all in quarantine, things are changing. And number two, this is actually the first year in literally like 4 years, I want to say, that I have not hit VIB Rouge. So for the past 4 years I've been VIB Rouge, and last year I didn't hit it, so now I am back to VIB. So obviously the packages that I'm showing you right now, I actually didn't even buy them on sale, to be honest with you guys. I have a couple of my friends' birthdays coming up and I needed to restock on stuff, so I did buy some things like The Ordinary that don't typically go on sale anyways. They don't qualify for the extra discount because they're already such a good price. So I figured I might as well show you guys, and I did purchase these April 1st and they took 2 weeks to arrive, which is crazy. This whole pandemic, it's just insane, like shipping for 2 weeks. I'm so used to having like next day or like 2 days because Rouge. But yeah, so basically I thought I would do a haul and get it up for you guys as well. If you guys want to see anything, pick anything up. Some things will be on sale right now, but like I mentioned, I was really scared. Some of these are gifts and I needed them to arrive on time because I didn't want them to be late. I didn't want to be that person to like miss someone's birthday, and like I was just so stressed that I was like, no, April 1st I'm buying this, so then they have a month to ship, which was more than enough time. That is what this haul is. Hope you guys enjoy it. Without further ado, let's just start opening up some boxes. Also, I never like wear lipstick in my videos because I'm always scared that I'm gonna have lipstick on my teeth and I won't notice, and then I'm editing and I'll have lipstick on my teeth, so I'm kind of paranoid right now if that happens. Let's just ignore it, but hopefully it doesn't happen, okay? So I ordered these like separate times. Like one of the boxes I got first, and then I ordered another one, and then I was like, oh my god, I need another one. And so I honestly don't even know what's inside this box. A lot of the things I got was skincare for this package. I am also going to be actually doing one when VIBs are allowed to shop. I have my cart ready. It's like $300 almost, and yeah, I'm gonna have a haul on that, but it's almost $300 my cart, so hopefully I don't keep adding things. It's the first day of the Rouge that I'm filming this, so we'll see how big my cart gets by the time it's my turn. So first thing I picked up was this skin set from First Aid Beauty. I did try a couple of their products a couple months ago and I really liked it, so I just wanted to try a couple more things, and then I saw this and it was a really good price. So it has a value of $146 and retailed for $64, so I was like, might as well. You get a lot of full-size products. They're not those really cheap minis. So inside that we got the facial Radiance pads. It also came with the Ultra Repair cream, a face cleanser as well, an Ultra Repair hydrating serum. I've never tried this. Oh, it's like a pump. Oh, it's like a clear gel. Interesting. My hands are dry, so we'll use it as a hand cream. It's for your face, obviously, your face and neck, but my hands are dry, so it's a hand cream. It feels good, not too sticky. It does melt into your skin. It does make it really soft. That's good. Lastly, come with the Ultra Repair like lip balm, which this is so good. I really like it. It's like a clear gel. If you can kind of see, it's clear. And it comes out more of like a thick, but it is very hydrating, and since it's clear, there's no like tint or anything to your lips. So these are the 5 products that were in it. As you can see, they are good sizes. They are full-size products of some of the things, which for $64 is really good, so I'm excited to play around with this. Next up on skincare, we picked up some things from The Ordinary. I am obsessed with The Ordinary. You guys should already know this. They have been my go-to for skincare for almost a year now. They are super affordable. Everything is like under $15, which is insane, and their products are so good. They work well together. So I had to pick up some staples that I am already running low on. So first thing we picked up was The Ordinary Toning Solution. Guys, this toner, I want to say is like $7, $6 or $7, and it is such a steal for the size, and it lasts forever. So that is it. I absolutely love this toner. This is my 3rd bottle, I want to say. Next up, I picked up a Salicylic Acid mask. I don't really know how to say that. This mask is $12.50. I highly recommend it. I've gone through so many of these. They are pretty good size amount for $12.50, but I do find that it runs out really quickly. So this comes out in like a blackish color. It does make you tingle a little bit, but for me, I don't mind that. I'm gonna go quick past these because I feel like I always talk about these, so it's not that important. So next up, I picked the Magnesium Ascorbyl Phosphate 10%. So basically this is kind of like a moisturizer, but it also makes your face more glowy and everything. I use it more on like days when I don't have to wear makeup, because I do find that it does make me a little bit more shiny and oily if I do put it under makeup. So no makeup days, this is my go-to to just have that healthy kind of glow to your skin. Next up, we have Buffet, which is a multi-technology peptide serum. So I like to use this right before I go to bed. So this is it. Really like this. This was $14.80, I believe. Next up, we have, no surprise to you guys, this is my favorite primer, my go-to primer. It's like $5. Highly recommend this. It is phenomenal. I've gone through so many of these because I have been using nothing but this, and for the price, it's amazing compared to like all the other expensive primers. Like I feel like this just does the job perfectly, and for under $10, girl, you can't go wrong. That is it. I'm actually gonna put 2 more in my cart right now after I'm done this video, because I do just want to stock up and have them. Since I'm not a VIB Rouge, I'm not used to doing that $50. Like VIB Rouge, you got free shipping for every order, so now it's the $50 mark, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like it's so different now. So I'm just gonna put 2 more of these in my cart because they are so cheap. I don't want to pay for shipping when I do need to restock, and they don't carry them in store, so you have to buy them online. So I'm gonna put some of those in my cart. But sample-wise, for this box, I picked Drunk Elephant Retinol Cream, Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. So that is it for box number 1. Honestly, like, I don't even remember what's inside these boxes. I need scissors. It's like a weird shape. So I'm like, what like fits in here? I also probably shouldn't be shaking it. That's hilarious. The first thing I just saw, primers. So I picked up 2 more ordinary primers. So I guess I don't need to buy more because I already thought of that. So I picked up 2 more of the ordinary primers. That's how you guys know I'm not kidding. Like, I absolutely love this primer and I need to stock up on it because it's so cheap and I don't want to pay for shipping after. Next up, I also picked up Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. This is the new product. I haven't tested this out before actually, and I saw it and I was reading all the benefits. I don't have bad skin, but I'm excited to try this out because all the ordinary products are phenomenal. Invisibobbles, guys, if you don't use these for hair ties, you are missing out. So there was like a bundle for Christmas that had like a bunch of these, and this is what it is. I don't know if it'll really focus on it, but it's not your typical like hair tie. It's one of these, and so when you tie up your hair, you don't get that crease, that bump that you get with like normal hair ties. So which is why I love this. Like, I literally went to bed and I tied up my hair and you literally can't even tell. I just put up like a hairbrush and that was it. Like, you can't tell, there's no bump. So that's why I picked it up in a black, because I figured black would match my hair a little better. I have like pink, white, and like these sparkly ones, so I saw the black ones and I was like, you know what, I want these. They do stretch out after a while, like if you can see this, but what I've noticed is sometimes I'll just put it in like really hot water and then they kind of just go back to normal for a bit and they'll look more like this, but obviously not as perfect as they were, but they will shrink down. So that's a little tip. These are the only hair ties I've been using, so I've been starting to lose them too, so that's why I need to buy more. I'm actually going to pick up some more during the sale because this was a pack of like 3 and it was $11, so they are a little pricey, but they don't snap. Like, I've had all of them, I just lose them. So the sample that I picked up for this box was the Ole Henriksen Power Duo. It is a Glow Cycle Retin ATL Power Serum and the Goodnight Glow All ATL Sleeping Cream. So that is the sample that I chose for this box. Oh, there's another one. And the Pharmacy Honey Potion. Oh, this is a mask. Cool. Maybe I'll try this later. Box number 3. The final box. Oh my god, why did they give me such a big box for like 3 small items? Item number 1 for this is this BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. Look how cute the packaging is. It is adorable. And this smells so good. Like, as soon as you open the box, when I opened the box when I first got it, you just get a whiff of like honey, and like it just smells so good. The little packaging is really cute. A lot of people rave about their deep conditioning masks, so that's why I picked this guy up. Like, how freaking cute is the packaging, and it smells so good. So this is it. Next up, this is a Tangle Teezer, guys. This is the best hairbrush. I got one like 4 or 5 years ago. I started using it. I got my mom one. Now, my hair is originally wavy. Like, as soon as I get out of the shower, it is a little wavy, more on the curlyish side, but I do straighten it. Hairbrush works perfect. My mom has very curly, like ringlets kind of hairs. Like, hers is so freaking curly, and this works amazing on her. It doesn't pull out her hair, it doesn't pull out my hair. It is so good. We have the like Hello Kitty ones that were from before, and so I saw this one as well. This is the original one. We have more of a compact style one, but these are so good, guys. As soon as you get out of the shower, you can use it. Like, any day, this hairbrush is just amazing. It doesn't pull out my hair, it doesn't hurt. Like, I highly recommend this hairbrush. It is all I've been using, and I definitely just recommend this to everybody, because I feel like if you have long hair or like curly hair, like whatever your hair type is, this will just feel good. Like, this is just the best hairbrush I feel like is on the market right now. You can use it with dry hair, wet hair. Like, I usually use this right after I get out of the shower. I'll start brushing my hair right after the shower. My mom, for instance, likes using it before she goes to shower. So before she goes to hop in the shower, she'll just brush her hair out. And so it works with dry hair, wet hair. I know this sounds a little bit sponsored, but it's not. I just highly recommend this hairbrush. And I think it was like $20, I think. Yeah, so it was around like 20 bucks. But it is just so good. Highly. See, wash, brush, hair, fabulous. The professional detangling hairbrush, ideal for all types of hair, can be used on wet and dry hair without any pulling or yanking. What did I just say? I literally didn't even read the description. I didn't know I was gonna say that, but yeah, 10 out of 10. The packaging is legit. It's true. Best hairbrush. You guys need to pick it up. Try it. If you have it, let me know. My samples didn't come in this one. I didn't get samples in that one, but like, it's fine. So I used my points to get the BRIOGEO Farewell Frizz Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So I saw this for like 100 points, and I was like, might as well, because like your girl has like 7,000 points, which is ridiculous. So I was like, might as well use them. And like I said, I do have more of like curlish hair, so in the summer, I don't always straighten my hair in the summer, so this is going to be good so I don't have frizz. That's one of the reasons I don't like wearing my natural hair, is just because I feel like a lion. Like, I feel like it just frizzes up, it poofs, it's so uncontrollable, and then straight hair kind of just like, it does its thing. Like, it lays flat and like it just chills, but like curly hair, I feel like it is just so much to maintain. So shout out to all you curly haired girls. I feel your pain, trust me. I have like medium-ish curls, and my mom is just like straight up ringlets. Like hers, you literally yank and poof, they go back into ringlets. I don't know how you guys can do it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's everything for my Sephora haul. I know it's not part of the VIB Rouge sale, but I figured I would still just put up a little Sephora haul. Hopefully you guys are picking things up. Let me know down in the comments what is on your wish list, or what you guys are gonna pick up. That way I can see if I can add more things to my basket, because I think this is gonna go up on Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. Saturday or Sunday, I'm gonna have this video up, and we are allowed to start shopping the 21st, I believe. So yeah, leave down below some things that are on your wish list, or what you have your eye on, so I can go check it out. But that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!